Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to solve inequalities with fractions. Here I have 3 examples. Please like and subscribe. So let's go ahead and do the first one. So the first thing I'm going to work with is this first equation. So what I'm going to do is do 5 times 5, and then I'm going to do 5 times 2. This would be equals to 25 over 10. So here I have a new equation. So let's work with the second equation. So let's bring it down 18 over 10. And let's also bring down this b and less than or equal sign. And now we're going to work with the equation that we just made, this one right here. We're going to bring it down as well, 25 over 10. And now we're going to subtract these two terms. That would be equals to negative 7 over 10. So this would be our answer. Now if you want to make this in interval notation, I'm going to write this nicely over here. We're going to first start by graphing a number line. So let's graph a number line right here. So we're going to put the 7 over 10, the negative 7 over 10. And here we're going to do a closed circle because it's inclusive because of the less than or equal sign. So here we see that b is bigger than 7 over 10. So this would mean that it would go all the way to the right. So in interval notation, this would be negative 7 over 10 bracket, comma, infinity, parentheses. So this would be your solution right here. So let's go to the second one. Here we have almost the similar stuff, but we're going to work through it. Let's do the same steps. Let's work with the first equation. So now what we're going to do is multiply 5 times 5, and then 5 times 2. That would be equal to 25 over 10. So now we're going to work with the second equation, 16 over 10. So we're going to bring it down. And we're also going to bring down the b and the less than or equal sign. And we're going to bring down the 25 over 10. So we're going to do the same thing that we did. We're going to subtract these two. That would be equals to negative 9 over 10. Now we're gonna put this in interval notation. We're going to graph the number line and put negative 9 over 10. Here I'm going to do a closed circle, and because we see here that b is bigger than the number. Let me write this here. So it says that b is bigger than this number. So that means that we're going to go to the right. Meaning that in interval notation, this would be 9, 10, comma, infinity, infinity with bracket, and negative 9 over 10 with bracket. Sorry, infinity with parentheses. Now let's go to the third one. We're going to start with the first fraction. So here we have 4 times 4 and 4 times 2. 4 times 4 is equal to 16, and 4 times 2 is equal to 8. Sorry. Now we're going to bring down this whole thing right here. So 15 over 8, y, the sign, and then we're going to bring this down, 16 and 8. So now we're going to do the same thing, subtract these two. That would be equals to negative 1 over 8. So in interval notation, this would be the answer. We're going to draw a number line with open circle because here we see that this sign is non-inclusive, and we see that y is bigger than this number. I bring down this sign right here to this so you can see it better. So here we see that y is bigger than this. Therefore, we're going to go all the way to the right, meaning that in interval notation, this would be 1, 8, comma, infinity, and both with parentheses because this is also non-inclusive. Here, we put the bracket because this is an inclusive sign. And this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.